In this video, we will do the proof of delta to star conversion. In the last video, I have told you about the formulas how we convert delta to star and star to delta conversion, in which we have the different combinations of delta and we convert that delta into the star, and then if we are having the star combination, how we convert that star into the delta. So in this video we are doing the proof of delta to star transformation. This is our delta diagram. Here we are having one assumption that the points A, B and C are open. Similarly, here in the delta we are having A and B, A, B and C are open. So when we consider these points as open, here R AB is in parallel with R AC and R BC. This is the for the open when we are considering A and B as open. AB resistance is in parallel with the combination of this series. It is written as RAB into RAC plus RBC upon RAB plus RAC plus RBC. This is equation 1. Here between A and B we are having RA plus RB. This is written as equation 1. Second, between resistance B and C, if B and C are the open points, then we are having RBC in parallel with RAB plus RAC. It can be written as RBC into RAB plus RAC upon RBC plus RAB plus RAC is equals to the resistance between B and C, RB plus RC. This is equation 2. Similarly, when A and C are open, then RAC in parallel with RAB plus RBC. It can be written as RAC into RAB plus RBC upon RAC plus RAB plus RBC, and in the delta we are having RA plus RC. So this is our equation 3. We are having 3 equations. After that we will do the addition of these 3 equations. We will do addition of 3 equations. The equation will become add 1, 2 and 3 equation. Then it will become 2 RA plus RB plus RC is equals to 2 into RAB into RBC plus RBC into RAC plus RAC into RAB upon RAB plus RBC plus RAC. When we solve this, the equation will become RA plus RB plus RC is equals to RAB into RBC plus RAC into RBC plus RAB into RAC upon RAB plus RBC plus RAC. We write this equation 4. Similarly, when we are having equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, we are having 4 equations. Now subtract equation 4 from equation 1. It will become, when we are subtracting this equation from the equation 1, it will gives us RC is equals to RAC into RBC upon RAB plus RBC plus RAC. This is equation 5. Then subtract equation 4 from equation 2, we will get RA is equals to RAB into RAC upon RAB plus RBC plus RAC. This is equation 6. Similarly, subtract equation 4 from equation 3. Then we will get RB. I am writing it above. When we subtract equation 4 from equation 3, we will get RB is equals to RAB into RBC upon RAB plus RBC plus RAC. This is equation 6. So in this way we are getting 3 equations of RA, RB and RC. This is a proof how we will get these formulas. Now we will do the star to delta conversion proof. In the delta to star conversion proof, we will find these 3 formulas. RA is equals to RAB into RAC upon RAB plus RAC plus RBC. RB is equals to RAB into RBC upon RAB plus RAC plus RBC. And RC is equals to RAC into RBC upon RAB plus RBC plus RC. These 3 formulas are for delta to star conversion, which we proved in the previous video. These 3 equations are given. So from these 3 equations we are finding the proof of star to delta. So multiply equation 1 and 2. When we multiply equation 1 and 2, then RA into RB is equals to RAB square into RBC into RAC upon RAB plus RBC plus RAC the square. Then multiply equation 2 and 3, we will get RB into RC is equals to RAB into RBC square into RAC upon RAB plus RBC plus RAC the square. Let's say this is equation 4, this is equation 5, and then multiply equation 1 and 3. It will become RA into RC is equals to RAB into RBC into RAC square upon RAB plus RBC plus RAC the square, and this is equation 6. So we are having 3 equations, 4, 5 and 6. Now do the addition of 3 equations, add 4, 5 and 6 these equations. When we do the addition, it will become RA RB plus RB RC plus RC RA is equals to RAB square RBC RAC plus RAB RBC square RAC plus RAB RBC RAC square upon RAB plus RBC plus RAC the whole square. Fine. When we solve this equation will become RAB plus RBC plus RAC into RAB into RBC into RAC upon RAB plus RBC plus RAC the square. This term will cut with this and we are left with I am doing here, I need this equation. So I rewrite the leftover equation. It is RA RB plus RB RC plus RC RA is equals to RAB RBC into RAC upon RAB plus RBC plus RAC. So if we look into this equation, this part is our this RB, RAB into RBC, RAB into RBC upon RAB plus RBC plus RC. So here we put the value of RB, then equation will become RB. So from here we find the value of RB. RB is equals to RA RB plus RB RC plus RA RC upon RB. Fine. So how from this equation we find the value of RAC. Similarly, we can find out the value of RAB and RBC. For RAB, it is RA RB plus RB RC plus RA RC upon RC, and for BC it is RA RB plus RB RC plus RA RC upon RA. So in this way we find the three values RAC, RBC and RC. So this is how we find the value of star to delta resistances. So we are having main 6 formulas. 3 formulas are for delta to star conversion, and these 3 formulas are star to delta conversion. Thank you so much.